All right, this is chapter 8.3, the law of cosines. Let's get started with the first question, number 18. So let's solve for side B. Okay, so B squared is equal to, now we know the side A is 2, so 2 squared plus side C is 1 squared minus 2AC. So you're going to insert the side A and side C in there. So it's 2 and 1. You're going to multiply by the cosine angle B, which is 10 degrees. Okay, so after you do that, you're going to find out that B is equal to 1.03. Okay, so 1.03 is what I'm going to insert. And next one, we're going to be solving for the angle A. So I'm going to show you how to do that. I'm going to erase all the work and I'm going to erase this formula. So this is the formula you should be using. So I'm going to insert side A, which is 2 squared equals to, we found the B, side B is 1.03 squared now, plus side C is 1 and then squared. And then you want to minus the 2 times 1.03 times 1 times the cosine angle A. So that's the one we don't know. So go ahead and just square everything. You got 2.06 plus, well, 1.06 and plus 1. And then you're going to be subtracting 2.06 times cosine angle A. Okay, so after you've done it, you're going to find out that A is equal to 160.35 degrees. So put 160.35 over here. And then lastly, all you need to do is go ahead and use 180, subtract 160.35, and then subtract the 10 degrees. You're going to find out that the your answer is going to be 9.65. So you're going to insert that for the angle C. Okay, let's check out the next question. So number 22. So first of all, you know that the we can solve for side A. So A squared equals to side B is 4, so 4 squared plus side C is 1, so you square that, minus 2 times B, which is 4, and then C is 1. And then you're going to multiply by the cosine angle A, which is 120. Okay, so A squared is equal to 16 plus 1 minus 8 times cosine 120 is going to be negative 0.5. And then just go ahead and solve everything. You're going to find out that side A is equal to 4.58. Okay, so put 4.58 over here. Now we're going to solve for the angle B. So here is the formula I'm going to show you. I'm going to use. So we know all the sides now. So we're going to put 4 squared equals to 4.58 squared plus 1 squared minus 2 times A, which is 4.58 times 1, and then multiply by the cosine angle B. This is the one we're trying to solve. Okay, you got 16 equals to roughly about 21 plus 1 minus 2, and then you're going to insert 2 AC. You're going to go ahead and multiply that, okay? And then cosine, you're going to put angle B. This is what we're trying to solve. And then after you've done all the calculation, you're going to find out that B is equal to 49.08. Okay, so 49.08 degrees. All right, so let's go ahead and solve for C. This is the easiest of all. So all you need to do is go ahead and use 180, subtract 120, and subtract 49.08. you're going to find out that your angle C is going to be 10.92. So that's going to be your last part to solve. Okay, so let's check out the next type of question. This is the SSS. All right, so go ahead and use the, since it's SSS, you can use any formula you want to start up with. I'm using the a squared equals to solve it. Okay, we're gonna try to solve for the angle. So you're gonna put the side a squared, so that's 4 squared equals to 3 squared plus 6 squared minus 2 times 3 times 6, and then multiply by the cosine angle A. Okay, so you got 16 equals to 9 plus 36 minus 36 cosine angle A. Okay, in the end, you're gonna find out it's this is gonna be negative 29 equals to negative 36 cosine angle A. Okay, and then divide by negative 36 on both sides. You're gonna get 0.8055 equals to cosine angle A, and then you're going to find out that the A is equal to 36.34. So put 36.34 degrees over here. Okay, now let's use another formula. All right, so we're going to put the b squared first. So it's going to be 3 squared equals to 4 squared plus 6 squared minus 2 times 4 times 6 times cosine angle B. All right, so I know that we're gonna be doing the same thing over and over again, just plugging formulas. So I'm gonna cut it short. So you know that the angle B is gonna equal to 26.38. So put 26.38 over here. All right, so lastly, to find out the angle C, you just use 180, subtract 36.34, that's angle A. And then you're going to subtract the angle B, which is 26.38. You're going to find out that the angle C is 117.28. Okay, and that's it for this lesson. Peace out.